Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're taking you inside an ultra-luxury modern mega mansion spanning over 25,000 square feet. This impressive residence boasts a clifftop location with a private helipad, as well as 11 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms. Situated on 8 acres of land, the property features a private tennis court, 400 feet of beachfront real estate, and an outdoor pool and spa area that was constructed at a cost of $1 million. But that's not all. The mansion also includes an indoor pool, a movie theater, and many other luxurious amenities. Before we begin our tour, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Hornets rookie LaMelo Ball recently purchased this stunning 25,000 square foot mega mansion for a whopping $10 million. With a home of this caliber, there are several ways to arrive. You can opt for the traditional mode of transportation and come by car, or you can choose to make a grand entrance via the ocean, arriving by boat. But if you really want to make a statement, you can always arrive by helicopter using your very own private helipad. As you enter the foyer, you'll be welcomed by the breathtaking sight of 30-foot high ceilings and a magnificent double bridal staircase that dominates the space. It's truly an impressive feature that sets the tone for the rest of the mansion. Moving on from the grand entry foyer, you'll find yourself in what can only be described as a ballroom, complete with a gas fireplace and enough space to entertain hundreds of people. It's a truly impressive sight. On the right side of this space, there's another entertainment room to keep your guests entertained. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows offer an incredible view of the surroundings. You won't be able to take your eyes off the stunning scenery. And that's not all. As you make your way towards the kitchen, you'll be stopped in your tracks by its sheer size. As you explore the kitchen area, you'll notice a spacious breakfast area to your left, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee while taking in the breathtaking views. To your right, you'll find a brand new state-of-the-art kitchen that's equipped with all the latest appliances. There's a wet bar, wine refrigerator, multiple stoves and ovens, and even a pot filler. No expense was spared when it came to outfitting this kitchen. In fact, the builder of the house spent a whopping $100,000 on appliances alone. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a cozy living area complete with a huge flat-screen TV. The perfect spot to relax and unwind while waiting for your meal to be prepared. If you're in the mood for a formal dining experience, you'll be pleased to know that there's a spacious dining room located just outside the kitchen. Featuring coffered ceilings, plenty of natural light, and ample space for entertaining, it's the perfect setting for a special occasion. But if you're looking to enjoy your meal al fresco, you can always head out to the huge outdoor deck that offers plenty of space to relax and take in the beautiful surroundings. This mansion offers a variety of rooms that can be customized to suit your specific needs. Whether you need a library, an office, or a guest bedroom, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Speaking of guest bedrooms, there are several throughout the house, each of which features its own en-suite bathroom. And they're no ordinary bathrooms. They're decked out with luxurious finishes and fixtures that will make your guests feel like royalty. And to top it all off, almost all of the guest bedrooms come with their own private balconies, offering stunning views of the shoreline. Your guests are sure to be impressed. If you thought the guest bedrooms were impressive, just wait until you see the master bedroom. With an expansive floor plan and a private terrace overlooking the entire property, it's the ultimate retreat. And the master bathroom. It's truly a spa-like oasis. Made entirely of marble, the shower boasts impressive features like the ability to convert to a steam shower, built-in speakers for music, a luxurious rainhead, and an incredible 12 shower sprays. In fact, the shower is so spacious that you could host a party in it. This is truly a master suite fit for royalty. So what do you guys think? Is this house worth the price of $10 million? Let us know in the comments below.